Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to delve into a common problem that can occur when working with Windows NT APIs. So, here's the problem. While playing around with the NtAllocateVirtualMemory function, a user encountered an issue where the API was failing and returning in status of status_invalid_ parameter. Quite the pickle, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. When looking into the issue in greater detail, it was discovered that the culprit behind the failure was the size of the allocated memory. The initial allocation size was declared as a long, which reserved 4 bytes to store the value 1024. However, when passing the address of this allocation to NtAllocateVirtualMemory, which expected an 8-byte size, it resulted in an invalid parameter being passed. By changing the allocation size to a long, the problem was resolved as it allowed the correct amount of memory to be allocated. Solution aside, it's fascinating to see how a seemingly small change can make all the difference in the functionality of a program. Remember, the devil's in the details in the world of programming, and sometimes a switch from a long to a long is all it takes to set things right. In summary, today we tackle the problem with the NtAllocateVirtualMemory function in Windows NT APIs, where passing a pointer to a long caused an invalid parameter error. The solution? Switching to a long to ensure the correct amount of memory was allocated. Programming sure is a wild ride. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop us a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!